I'm going to show you how you can easily change your name in Monopoly Go. First, launch and open the Monopoly Go game on your device. After loading, enter your age to get started. Now click I agree and play with friends or as a guest. It will start a tutorial, and after ending it, click Let's Go. You have to play regularly, like first set the landmark. Next, you can play the game by clicking the Go button to roll the dice. Collect rewards displayed on the screen to earn more coins. Then, roll the dice again and again to play and collect rewards to make more progress. To change the name, go to the 3 bars icon in the top right corner. In the side menu, click the pen icon right to the game ID. After that, enter a new name to replace the old one. At the end, click the Submit button to apply changes.